Hello guys, this is Ty with DVC-rental.com and buy and sell DVC.com. We are at Disney's Boulder Ridge in room 2543. This is a Deluxe Studio and we're going to go in and take a look. This is probably one of the better themed resorts. I can keep this door from slamming. So when you first walk in, there's a mirror. Say hi, Ty. Hello. And then you have your kitchenette right here. Now in the kitchenette, you'll notice a toaster, an ice bucket, microwave, coffee maker, sink. There is a small refrigerator under the sink. There's a trash can. I believe there's plastic silverware, things like that, located inside of the kitchenette. And in here you have your room. Now this room does sleep 5, I believe. I may have to double check, but if you look at the beginning of the video, it'll be listed there. So there is a queen bed, there is a sleeper sofa, and then I believe there is also a Murphy bed underneath. I may try to fold that down. We'll see. With holding the camera, it might be kind of difficult. Flat screen TV, Blu-ray player. Now the view out here is very peaceful. This is on the second floor. That is one of the pools. That's the quieter pool. The other pool with the big water slides and stuff, it's just directly on the other side of that building. There is a bar. Cannot remember the name of it. I believe it's called Geyser Point. It's just right over that direction, right in front of me there. But that's the pool. The view from this particular room is really nice. There's the cabins. You got cabins in front of you. I don't know if you can really see it through the cabins, but you can actually see Bay Lake. You can see the water back there. But with all the wildlife, the animals, the birds you can hear. Very peaceful. We're going to go back in. So again, you do have a sleeper sofa, queen bed. I don't know if this stores anything or not. No. Nope, that table is just a table. It does not store anything. Those lights were a little tricky. It took me a minute to turn them on, but there is a button underneath. So if you stay here and you're trying to figure out how to turn those lights on, just know that there is a button underneath. I'm going to scoot these chairs out. And I'm going to pull this bed down for you just so you can get a very good look. Okay, I got it. It took me a minute, but I got it. So what you have to do is there is a little thing right there. It looks like a wood piece that's part of the design, but you have to push both of them at the same time and it unlocks the bed and then it just drops down. There is a Murphy bed with an absolutely beautiful piece of artwork from Bambi. Aha, we got it. Now I'm out of breath. That Murphy bed was a little finicky, but that's okay. It's an extra place to sleep. So now, in here, let's see, here's your vanity, which is just has all your basics. And there's a closet. Now in the closet, you'll have a luggage rack. There's extra pillows and blankets up top, and then back in the back corner, there is a vacuum and there is a pack and play. For those that have never stayed at the Disney resorts, I'm not sure. There's an ironing board, but I'm not sure if the standard rooms directly through Disney offer the pack and plays. But if you stay through DVC, I know all of the rooms come with a pack and play. So then we're look in the bathroom here. So it's just a regular toilet, shower, extra towels, plenty of towels, toilet paper, soap, all that good stuff. The theming of this resort is the Great National Parks. So definitely a lot of log cabin stuff going on, a lot of pine trees. But it is probably one of the better themed resorts. And the food here is really good. Whispering Canyon Cafe is excellent. I think, like I said, I think it's called Geyser Point, but it's the bar out in the very back of the resort, kind of by the pool. The food there, I've ate there once. It was really good. I was surprised, but it was very good and very relaxing. One of the more relaxing resorts. Now, the good thing is you're very close to the bus stop. So if bus transportation is something you do frequently, you're very close to the bus stop. But again, just your standard studio, kitchenette, everything, vanity, and then, bathroom. But if you'd like to stay here, we can definitely get it at a discounted rate. You can just check dvc-rental.com, and we would be more than happy to help you. If you're looking into purchasing resale, then you can go to buyandselldvc.com, and we will do everything we can to get you hooked up with a Boulder Ridge contract. So that's it for now. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you can be notified anytime we do updates. We try to do several of these room reviews and get you tours every time we get a chance to. So just like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll be notified every time that we do that. And we appreciate it. We appreciate you guys, and we will catch you next time. Thank you.